Should be reaching Mac the Wildwood soon.
I hear it's tough going inside. We'd best be on the lookout.
Here, I'll take you on.
Watch the moss, guys. Mind you don't slip. Whoa. Yeah!
He says, falling flat on his ass himself.
Oh, yeah. Bloody hilarious. You're always taking the mick out of me. Noah.
Huh? Did you say something?
Oh, don't come crying if you fall.
You seem like you're a million miles away. Lot on your mind?
Yeah, kinda. Mio!
Thank you.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I just lost my footing for a second. I'm okay. For now, I'm okay.
For now? Are you not feeling 100%?
Nah, nothing like that. I'm totally fine, promise. Like I said, I just missed my footing.
If you start feeling worse, just say. I don't want you hiding it.
You're a kind man, aren't you?
I'm just being polite. Whoa!
So what was on your mind earlier?
Yeah, that light. I was wondering if it had anything to do with us.
You think maybe... Could it have been something that Mobius did?
Huh?
We know that they're hunting us. Tyon, you told us before that our consoles were actually the same.
Yeah, I did say that.
After that, nobody said so, but we were all thinking it. The war between Agnes and Kevez and the consoles. Or rather, Mobius. They must be connected somehow.
It could be that all the fighting, it might be that it's all orchestrated according to Mobius.
And to them, Ouroboros only spelled trouble.
Since we keep wrecking their flame clocks and all. They must really hate us messing with their stuff, I guess.
So we're one big thorn in their side.
It does stand to reason that's why we're their targets. But it doesn't tell us anything about why our colonies fight. Any theories?
Not as yet. But I figure, isn't discovering that our real objective here, right? If we seek out the city, maybe we'll find answers.
One way to know.
That looks like a good rest spot.
Getting late. We should find somewhere to rest.
Good thing we found this. That container.
Man, those Mobius mooks, they make my feathers stand on end. Ending people's lives like it doesn't matter. Ugh, what a sick joke.
Their word for people like that? Know what Nopon say?
No idea. Tell us?
Super villain pon.
Riku, what does that mean then?
It be the extreme bad guy.
Ah, I think I get it.
Meme?
What's up, Manana?
Then, Onoa and Mio and friends, supervillain pon.
You're labeling us?
Labelling. Because friends used to end lives also. That not make them supervillain pon?
I mean, it's not like we ever had a choice or anything. It was them or us.
So when no choice, not fall under definition then.
None of us ever fought because we wanted to. It's just how it worked. How people worked. And the world.
So, world is supervillain pon.
Huh?
Since it make everyone do nasty things. World is bad guy.
The world is bad. Huh, I never thought of it like that.
Now that you mention it, what in the world are we even here for?
I wouldn't strain your brain too much.
Sounds like you have.
What gave you that idea?
Cut the snark, just tell me.
The end point of it is suicide.
So what?
If you don't want to hurt others, you'll end up denying your own right to survive. Eventually, you come to the conclusion that the world may well be better off without your presence. The only resolution, then, is to erase the self. To die. See? Pointless.
Isn't that taking it too far?
The world doesn't just vanish because you've closed your eyes.
What?
The moon. Think about it. Why is it that the moon shines? Just because we're watching? Of course not. Even if humans were gone, it would shine on, illuminating the land beneath. And yet, we're the ones that give meaning to it. We say, bit dim tonight, or looks brighter than usual, eh? Similarly, we can now imbue the world with meaning or change it. It's a privilege we were lucky to obtain.
And that's the power of Ouroboros.
We're obliged to use it. We can make a difference.
So we don't become supervillains.
That's one thing to aim for, at least. Right?
Better give it a good once-over.
Hey, you sure we're going the right way, guys?
Well, it's a path, at least.
Looks like it's going to be a real pain getting through here.
True, but we don't have the luxury of loitering.
Well, I don't see any other road to take, so let's just get this over with.
Judy, look out!
What the? An ambush?
Weapons! Quick!
Someone's needy. Appreciate it.
Down, Jack!
You won't get away! Time to get cracking. Someone's needy.
Isn't he going? Crack! Broken landslide! What? Fire! Pay for this! I'll end it here!
Eat this!
Me! Thanks!
You won't get away!
Down, Jack! Yeah.
Are you ready to go?
I've got to do something now!
Oh!
Serious!
I gotta put someone's needy. Time to win the big gun! Oh, welcome!
Landslide!
Oh, sorry.
I'll get you 60 in no time!
Move it!
I'm going down!
Back on my feet!
Some more!
Mio! Say something! All right now, Mio. I need you, Mio! We don't put it in a... Beauty! I'm sorry! Not like them! I'm gonna... I got...
Hold on! I'll be right there!
Tie up! Right! Let's see!
You guys!
I'll get you up in a sec! No way! I got a hot kick!
Lance! Did I push you too hard?
I feel strong!
Together, I know you can!
Useless!
Some more! Down!
Mio!
Not let you stay down!
Thanks! Nice
We are
save,
more than
man!
capable!
I appreciate it!
Serve my strap! I'll make it! I'll lead!
I'll just follow that! You're done!
Keep hitting hard! You won't get away! I'll stop you for good!
Do you think this plan is yippee? I'll start it off!
I'm with you!
And one for good measure! Hit them where they least expect! Great! Everyone get ready! I'll start it off!
Not by your lead!
Time for the big one! Oh, we're not done yet! No escape! How disappointing! You didn't disappoint! Yeah, this is bad. Wanna die?
Uni! This can't be happening!
No escape!
I lost her attention.
Healing's on the way! Honorless! Unstoppable! Xeno! Xeno, wake up! Landslide!
Did I push you too hard?
Everyone,
Help's on the way!
you guys!
I'll get you up in a sec! attention. Someone's needy.
Landslide.
Slipping up, Lituancon. I've not like what I was waiting for. On me!
I can follow that up. You're done.
It's rolled again.
Too rapid this time. Allow me.
I'm with you. I was waiting for this. Take that!
It ain't over yet. I might have to wait. Everyone get ready.
On me!
Your head starts now.
Get away!
Down,
I'll show ya!
come on now.
Give it up! Coming to you! You won't get away!
Still do this. Are you okay?
Let me give you a taste!
I'll end it here.
Not right, Sam!
Liberation. Still do this.
You might want to hang back! More where that came from!
Landslide. Just one. I don't want to die. I'll get you ship shape in no time. Downcraft.
Are you ready, Junie? Now we'll bring them to their knees!
I'll end it here. Are you ready? Time to full range.
I'll keep up the pressure! Not right, Sam!
Just one.
Didn't think I'd be falling here.
We just want to pass through. We're not looking for trouble.
Come on, guys. What's your problem?
Juniper! Imogen's at her limit. She can't keep going.
Huh?
Spark! And we could have had their life too. So close.
That's very unfortunate. We'll have to retreat then.
What was all that about? Weirdos.
Noah, what's wrong?
I was just thinking.
About that archer? They seem quite the formidable opponent, to be sure.
That's true, but there was something else about them.
Say, you don't think...
Those soldiers' flame clocks. They might be getting low.
Oh, come on, Noah. You'd better not be thinking of offering your assistance.
It's hard to put into words, but something's off.
What, and you think we have time to be traipsing around on this whim of yours?
It really bothers you?
Yeah,
Give it up, Tyon. Once Noah's like this, there's no stopping him.
Oh, why do I bother?
Besides, Noah's intuition's usually pretty on the mark.
We could just take a look. A tiny little peek?
Fine. I can see no amount of reasoning is going to dissuade you. However, if it turns out to be nothing, we head straight back and move on. Acceptable.
that's fine. Okay, let's move. We should be able to catch up to them if we follow their tracks.